Little P, I got a call one day from AJ and he goes, Dad, I met this girl. She's got the prettiest eyes I've ever seen in my life. And he goes, they're gold. And I thought, Jesus, AJ, you're drinking way too damn much. You know? And it is the golden-eyed girl.
And Paige, you woke up this morning, you were a Maxwell. And of course, you'll always be a Maxwell. Right? As we've discussed at numerous tables, that's a pretty good thing. But from here on out, you'll also share AJ's name. You'll be a silver. Always remember, there is nothing worth sharing like the love that lets you share his name.
So there comes a time in everyone's life that they meet their soulmate, their one true love, the one that makes you feel warm and fuzzy inside. And that moment for AJ came 26 years ago when he met me. I hope you guys have a beautiful marriage, full of love and laughter. I hope you guys accomplish the goals you have set for yourself. And I hope that all your dreams come true. I love you guys, and I hope everybody enjoys the rest of their evening. Thank you for your time.
She also did so many things that made her the best big sister. One of the best big sisters. Sorry. One of the best. When I was a baby, she got in my playpen so much and laid in it with me that she broke it. She always let me play with her and her friends when they came over and never complained about me being the annoying little sister, at least not to my face. I am so excited to have another brother in the family. You two are a great example of love, and it has been great to see you two grow together in your love. So if you would all raise your glass to Mr. and Mrs. Silver. Cheers.
I promise to always push you to go after your dreams.
I promise to keep us grounded and live in the moment.
I promise to say I love you every day.
I promise that we'll continue to go on adventures and explore sleepy little towns.
I promise to continue to do every math problem you throw my way.
And I promise to listen to all your crazy business ideas.
I promise that it'll be okay splitting food at a restaurant even though I only ever get one bite of yours.
I promise to be your story lifeguard, even though you think the truth should never get in the way of a good story.
I promise that I'll never stop being your best friend.
I promise that my heart is yours to keep.
I promise to never stop working to make our relationship stronger.
I promise to never stop singing in the car together, even though we're always off tune.
I feel like you were gonna pop out and scare me. Returning? Oh my god, it's so beautiful. fit is perfect. You.
I promise to cook you dinner every night.
Every night.
Not every night, but
And I promise to be your sous chef every night.
I promise to never stop playing together.
I promise to always love and take care of you.
I promise to appreciate every day that we have together.
I promise to believe in you even when you don't believe in yourself.
I promise to always be supportive and make our love and happiness a priority.
I promise to love you when life seems easy and when life seems hard.
I promise to remember that I don't have to cherish you, I get to.
I promise to grow old with you.
I promise you, me.
I promise you,